Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to animate Midjourney images. So we have these tools here, which is Midjourney and Leonardo. You can pretty much use any image generation AI tool to get your images. It doesn't have to be Midjourney or Leonardo AI, it can be anything. It doesn't matter where you get them from. So for example, I'm gonna click start using Leonardo and get some images ready for our animation. On the image generation tab, I'm simply gonna choose the 3D animation style model. Then I'm gonna give it a prompt. So I'm just gonna try another prompt and see the results. Okay, these are some good looking images. I'm gonna download this as well. Up next, we are going to edit those photos in Photoshop. So if you wish to make any changes in the image, first of all, you need to select that. I'm gonna select the whole image because I wanna make some changes in that. Then I'm gonna click generative fill and I will add, and I want to add some fog to this scene. So I'm gonna write add some fog, and then I'm gonna click this generate button. As you can see, we got a lot of fog, but we don't want this to be the main focus. Since we do need our background, I'm gonna change the opacity level unless it is something usable. Okay, this is fine, but here you can see there are some trees which we do not need. So I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna feather around like 10 pixels. Then I'm gonna give it a prompt, and here our trees have been removed from the footage. You can clearly see the difference. Now I'm gonna group them together to make it a single layer, and now I'm gonna add some levels into this footage to make it a little bit darker, and then I'm gonna lower the opacity on the fog. I'm gonna keep it somewhere in between that. Now I wanna add our main character to the footage. I'm simply gonna click select subject, and this is not good enough. I wanna also select the other areas. Now I'm gonna add some feather around 4 pixels, and then I'm gonna make a copy of that layer. Then I'm simply gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna paste it here on this background, and the character fits perfectly here in between the trees. I'm gonna make some minor adjustments to remove this extra padding. And once we're done with that, I'm also gonna remove this white shadowing here. Right, it looks pretty good. We're ready to go to the next stage. I'm simply gonna save them as 2 separate layers without the character and without the fog. And here we have our character. I'm simply gonna remove the background, and then I'm gonna copy the character and come here and paste it behind that deck. Once we're done with that, I'm gonna save that and export it. But before that, we need to clarify this area. Okay, looks perfect. I'm gonna simply save that. Then I'm gonna head over to this site 11 Labs to get our voiceovers. I'm gonna go with Clyde for this voice acting, and then I'm gonna give this as my text. Then click on the generate button. Then I'm simply gonna save this audio. Up next, we have this website studio.d-id. Simply come here, sign up, and then click on the create video button and click on the add your own image. Firstly, you need to log in, then come back to create video and select to add your image. For now, I'm just simply gonna select any voice and click generate video. Once your video is downloaded, then you can simply save your video from here. And here we have Runway ML, where we're going to remove the background from our video. Go here on the edit video section and click remove background. Then you simply upload your video. Then we just click on our character, and it will generate a mask for us. We also want to include this area and this and this. So I'm going to click on them. All right, our whole area has been selected, and if you want to exclude something, simply click like that, and perfect. Then I'm simply going to click done masking. And here in After Effects, I'm gonna create a new project. Then I'm gonna drag our background and our characters. Now since we have them, we can start animating these. First of all, we need to animate those trees, so I'm quickly gonna mask them. Once we have our mask, I'm gonna search for turbulent displacement and drag it onto our mask layer. You can keep the amount minimal and also the size. Then simply select cycle evolution and give it a good evolution playback of around 4. And if you have a look, we have a solid animating trees in the background. You can play around with these settings to make it as perfect as you wish to be. We can also animate the character this way, like we can animate his hair if we select them. Simply mask out all the hair strands, and I'm gonna copy this effect from here and paste on the character's hair. And you can see we have a smooth animation on the character's hair. I'm gonna make this a composition so the character is in the same layer always, and then we can also duplicate that and mask only the character so we can animate him out a little bit, add some movement using the puppet tool. Just that much is enough. I'm gonna extend that to our playtime. Then I'm gonna remove the character from our other footage by simply excluding that mask and also making it feather a little bit by just this much. And you can see the smooth animation with the character moving his hair and his head. Then we can add some rainfall in the background. Sounds nice, right? Simply search for this rainfall effect and you can adjust the wind or speed on it. I'm gonna also add some wind so it's on the right direction, and add that blue color, a muddy blue color, so it looks natural. And without much effort we have a really nice looking scene here. And here we have our animation without the background. I'm gonna export that in 1080p. You can choose the MP4 format as that is suitable. Go to your assets page so you can download it. Simply drag our footage here. Now you can either animate the whole character or you can use this footage as well. Since we made this, we can also use this. Search for a key light effect and drag it onto our layer and click on the screen color and select green. So our character will be only visible and not the color. If the video is cutting out, you can extend your composition time by simply coming here and adding some more seconds into the playtime. Then extend these layers, and also you can copy paste this layer again, so once it ends it continues just like that.
Hey there, I am your DJ Kid. If you want to rock and roll, hit me up. I'll do you a solid job. Hey there.
So here is our animation. Hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video, and if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.